Hello everyone, I would like to show a little tour of the interior of the Mercedes S-Class. As you can see, it's not just any S-Class, it's a Maybach S-Class. Yes, now they just add nameplates, add a price tag, and a couple of other little things. I'm going to show you exactly what it is. And this is the most complete version, the so-called Manufactory. This is indicated by the inscription on the front panel. It's somewhere in the area of a box that looks like an ashtray. Now, it seems to me an ashtray in a car is a rarity. Well, let's start with the most interesting thing you want to get into in a Maybach, the armrest. But there's a fridge, but what isn't there? That's right. There are no glasses, or rather glasses, because when it's the most interesting story, there's usually a flute. So that's something that's been overlooked. But maybe the owner just didn't order them. What the chair looks like. The chair and the whole ergonomics is like business class on an airplane. But it's actually very comfortable to sit in. But it's also comfortable for Mercedes to sell this nice car for a very expensive price. But of course, compared to all the other Mercedes, this seems super luxurious. Although if you think back 20 years ago, much less expensive versions were much better quality. Maybe not cooler, but at least above average. But now Mercedes only has this S-Class Maybach left. The Maybach GLS is left, and that's it. That's the only place where you can see good materials. You can see good build. As you can see, you can even see the wood, and it looks very much like natural wood. The question is, why does Mercedes do this? Well, look, here we have leather. You know, I heard a very interesting opinion from one person that now one brand makes normal sedans. It's Bentley. I agree with this opinion 100% because except for Bentley, probably everyone has stopped making these sedans. The only thing is that there is such a timid attempt at Mercedes, and it is Maybach. It is very, very different from the usual class in terms of the quality of the interior. But frankly speaking, gentlemen, the price tag of Maybach Mercedes starts from 36 million rubles. Such approximately will cost in the neighborhood of $500,000 for a Mercedes S-Class. Where do you even see such a thing? I think it is a clear overkill, but at least there is such a thing. You see, who drove a Mercedes E-Class? Maybe not behind the wheel, but at least in a cab, you see, right? And then naturally the question arises, why such a difference? But you paid. But you also pay a lot for an E-Class. Maybe that's why people started to look at the Chinese. Frankly, I'm offended for Mercedes, partly ashamed. I hope that maybe the company's policy will change and they will make not only S-Class Maybach in normal materials and normal equipment, but also some at least E-Classes, at least for a surcharge, but so that there really everything was as it should be and it was all good and worthy. But let's hope that Mercedes will not disappoint us and all our dreams will come true someday. I was once a very big Mercedes fan. Write in the comments how you generally see the future of Mercedes as its current model. You like it or you don't like it, and how do you like or dislike this Maybach class here? But also, this layout of colors gold, here with such a dark Bordeaux in my opinion looks cool, but it is so much striking to the eye. But then again, this car is not for the modest, so maybe it was assembled like this. Well, that's all I have so far. Write in the comments. Enjoy the show, everybody. Bye, everybody.